DJ Studio Records.
But your mouth wide open. Claim you hate the spotlight, but you steady hoping. Talking like a shadow, hidden in disguise, but your every single word just a mountain full of lies. Said you hate the live stream, said you won't appear, but I see your face loud, echo crystal clear. Posting like a king, but your crown is hollow. Fake flex, fake pride, nothing real to follow up.
Lies, yeah, you feeling like a boss, but you're so gone. Talking one thing, then you flip the script. Fake story, every line from your lips. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Nah, yeah. Nagpaila ka lang sa imong pagka-red flag. Nagpakunuhay ra ka, wala kay originality tag. Sunod-sunod sa ako ang agihilo nga musikero. Ayaw na pagpinamaayo, tas nakaayo imong lubi oy. Kanahan, listen!
Anghel, BOT-BOTON, di ainda ko. Diyos ko, batasan dili makaon lugiro. Kusog mga ug mangilog sa mga tao nga naanay ka relasyon. Imong gibilog ilamutog basing gatuo ka. Ngabutan niya kumaba, kanay mong pagka-traidor. Mawi na kaangol, nganong dili nang kamangitang gimuha. Nagpaila rakas pagka-selfish nga tawo. Walay pulos, bro.
Dato manunta ka, pero bagsag ragid hapon ka. Maski pila pa imong flex, walay respeto sa imong isig ka, brada. You fake it, you break it, mask revealed sa crowd. Your lies too loud and you're falling down proud. Manipulator ka. You said you don't like social media, you keeping it tight, but you lurk every page, scrolling all night, claiming I'm secret, a private person, identity locked, but the truth already out, your whole act been mocked. Feeling so high, but you low on respect, trying to play smart, but your lies don't connect. Mirror don't lie, expose your tone, you a fake built image with a plastic throne.
All lies, yeah, you feeling like a boss, but you so gone. Talking one thing, then you flip the script. Fake story, every line from your lips and eyes.
So keep talking with your twisted pride. We see the cracks you try to hide. Your lies expose